I'd rather show the world what I've accomplished than what I'm planning to do. There's enough talk already. Just take action and remain silent until it's time for the final move. Moving in silence is an underrated superpower. Thinking, planning, and honing your craft quietly without seeking praise or validation. Do the work behind the scenes where no one can see or celebrate you. Do it not for recognition, but because it's essential for your success. Moving in silence means planning, thinking, meditating, and working without anyone knowing but you. Every successful person, be it a rising star, innovator, creator, philanthropist, minister, entrepreneur, athlete, or entertainer, has a story of unseen hard work. You weren't there when they struggled, sweated, and almost gave up. They continued alone, planning, executing, and eventually surprising everyone with their success. I won't announce my efforts. I'll announce my victory. There's no need for a preview. The announcement will be that I've won. Checkmate. I'll stay silent until I win. There are moments in life that should be approached like a chess game. Don't reveal your strategy until it's time for the final move. A chess player doesn't talk until the game is won. So, stop talking about your plans and just achieve them. Successful people have mastered the art of solitude. They understand the power of spending time alone, reflecting on their behaviors, beliefs, and strategies. They don't need to broadcast their every move, preventing others from copying their ideas. Instead, reveal your work only once it's complete. This is the phase I'm entering. You doubted me, deserted me, and left me for dead. Watch me win, and I'll do it in silence. I won't say a word until I've succeeded. Just show up with the results, without announcing every step. Win, then let the world see. After you've won, let the interviews, contracts, and documentaries come. But first, win in silence. Checkmate. Understand your strengths and weaknesses, and proceed quietly. Where are you falling short? Where are you excelling? What beliefs do you need to shift to align with the right behaviors? What habits, principles, and values do you need to embed within yourself? Who must you become to achieve what you are destined to do? When you spend time alone, you can think, pray, and meditate without distractions. This solitude allows you to nurture something that can leave a lasting legacy and impact millions of lives. Never underestimate the power of getting alone with yourself and tuning into your calling and planning how to pursue it. Often, people living paycheck to paycheck don't want to think. They just want to work and get paid. On the other hand, millionaires, billionaires, six-figure earners, networkers, and innovators have spent time alone, contemplating their purpose and strategizing their execution. They moved in silence, thought alone, and prayed alone, even if only for a season. There's nothing wrong with spending time with friends and family, but there's a distinct advantage in having time alone, talking to yourself in the mirror, reminding yourself of your goals, and being flexible and agile is powerful. You must ask, is God first in my house or nothing else? This reflection helps establish your values and understand what drives you. Not everyone needs to know all the struggles, pain, and sacrifices you've endured. Just show up and win. After you succeed, then you can talk about how you achieved it. If your dream only involves you, it's not big enough. It starts with you, but doesn't end with you. Your team is coming. Write it in the comments. My team is coming, but it starts with me. My team is coming, but it starts with me. My team is coming, but it starts with me. Remember, true success starts with you, but it doesn't end with you. Embrace the power of solitude. For more motivational content and guidance on your path to success, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's achieve greatness together.